Hello, in this video, I am going to discuss about the frequency response of two-stage RC coupled amplifier. The frequency response of two-stage RC coupled transistor amplifier. Now, I have already discussed about how RC coupled transistor amplifier works. Okay. Now, this is the frequency response. This figure represents the frequency response of two-stage RC coupled transistor amplifier. So, we will be discussing about the gain of the amplifier during low frequency, mid frequency, and high frequency. Okay. Low frequency means when the gain is less than 50 hertz. Mid frequency means when the gain is between 50 hertz to 20 kilohertz, and high frequency means when the gain is above 20 kilohertz. Okay, this is high frequency. So let's discuss about the low frequency case, that is less than 50 hertz. So what will happen when the frequency of the AC signal is less than 50 hertz? What will happen to the gain of the RC coupled amplifier? So we know that the reactance offered by capacitor is Xc. Xc is equal to 1 by 2 pi 2 pi mu c. Okay, 2 oh sorry 2 pi mu c. Okay, so this is the reactance offered by Cc, that is the coupling capacitor. So what will happen? The reactance offered by the coupling capacitor will be large. Why? Because nu is less. Okay, nu is less. Okay, it gives Xc to be large, Xc to be more. Okay, that means when the reactance is more, obviously the gain of first stage will be reduced. Okay, now let's see the case at high frequency. Okay, at high frequencies, that means greater than 20 kilohertz. Now in case of high frequency, what will happen? Using the same formula, Xc is equal to 1 by 2 pi mu c. Okay, so when frequency is high, what will happen? Xc, that is the reactance offered by Cc, that is coupling capacitor, will be less. Okay, so it will increase the base current. Okay, it will increase the base current. If you see the circuit diagram of a RC coupled transistor amplifier, then you can see that if Xc is large, then the base current will increase. Base current for the next stage, okay, will increase. It will increase the base current. Okay, the base current Ib. Okay, base current of, it is actually the next stage. Okay, base current of next stage. Okay, that means the transistor present in the next stage. So if the base current increases, what will happen? Beta, that is current amplification factor, will reduce. You know, the current amplification factor is given by beta. Beta is equal to IC by IB. Okay, so if base current reduces, so beta will also reduce. That means the gain is reducing. Also, due to loading effect, the gain of the amplifier will reduce. So if the base current increases, there will be loading effect. Okay, in this case also the gain will reduce. Now let's discuss the mid frequency range. That means, okay, sorry, the mid frequency range. Okay, at mid frequency mid frequency means greater than 50 hertz, okay, and less than 20 kilohertz. So in this mid frequency range, what will happen? So We know that as the frequency increases, what will happen? As the frequency increases, always remind this formula: Xc is equal to 1 by 2 pi nu c, and this is the reactance offered by the coupling capacitor. Okay, so as nu increases, as frequency increases, as nu increases, what will happen? Xc will decrease, isn't it? Xc will decrease. Okay, so if Xc decreases, what will happen? More amplified output of first stage will go to next stage, isn't it? More amplified output of first stage will go to next stage, isn't it? Will go to next stage. But there is a problem. Due to loading effect of first stage, what will happen? The gain will reduce. Okay, the loading effect of first stage will also increase. Okay, as a result of which the gain reduces. Okay, so we can write, however, loading effect of first stage also increases. Okay, also increases, and thus the gain is reduced. I will discuss about the loading effect in another video. Okay, so an increase in the voltage gain due to decrease in the reactance is cancelled by the loading effect of first stage. Okay, and it reduces the voltage gain. That means on one side the voltage gain will increase because of decrease in reactance. Okay, because of decrease in Xc. So on one side the voltage gain is increasing because of decrease in Xc or reactance, but however due to loading effect, that voltage gain is balanced, or that voltage gain reduces. Okay, so Xc, decrease in Xc contributes to increase in voltage gain, but corresponding increase in loading effect causes decrease in voltage gain. Okay, so we can write here decrease in reactance. Okay, reactance, that is Xc, will cause increase in voltage gain. Okay, increase in voltage gain, but it will also increase the loading effect of first stage. Okay, and due to increase in loading effect, the voltage gain reduces. Okay, the voltage gain reduces. Okay, so again I am telling you, decrease in reactance will cause increase in voltage gain, but this increase in voltage gain will be balanced by loading effect. Okay, loading effect will cause decrease in the voltage gain again. As a result, the gain remains constant. In the mid frequency range, the gain remains constant. Okay, I hope you have understood this frequency response of two-stage RC coupled amplifier. Also refer to the diagram of two-stage RC coupled amplifier for better understanding. Okay. um, so here we are only talking about the reactance part. Okay, the reactance is causing is mainly affecting, is mainly controlling the frequency response. Okay, and the reactance is offered by the coupling capacitor. The reactance offered by coupling capacitor is the main controlling factor of the frequency response. Okay, so thank you very much.